Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something really different. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did these micro braids. I did a full head of micro braids on my sister. It took me 2 days only because the first day took 11 hours and the second day took 4 hours. I'm going to be using this Bobbi Boss King hair in 28 inches. I used 2.5 packs. She ordered this hair online and I believe it's discontinued, but I'll put the information down below that I do have. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is section out my client's hair into 8 or 9 different sections. Her hair is natural and she did blow dry it out. That's helpful but not necessary. I started out in this right corner and this section took me about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete. So here I'm going to be showing you how I install the hair. I start braiding overhand, and then once I get to a certain point in the braid, then I start braiding underhand. Okay, here is the start of day 2. On day 1, I stopped at 10 p.m. and she came back at 10 o'clock the next day. So we're going to be starting on the last 3 sections of her hair. So the middle of her hair was really kinky. I used the Shine and Jam extra hold to slick down her hair and keep the frays down. again, I start braiding overhand, and then once I get to a certain point of her natural hair, then I start braiding underhand. Alright, so I finally reached the last 2 braids of her hair. You don't know the joy that I felt once we got here. Oh my god, it took so long. As you can see, I braided her hair down pretty far. That's because the length of her hair is very long. So I braided each braid down 4 to 6 inches. And I also used the Shining Gel to blend in her natural hair with the weave. So now that we're at the end, I'm just going to be using some spritz to kind of hold the hair in place. And then I'm going to go ahead with the spray bottle. I added some water and some leave-in conditioner. And that's going to wave the hair up since it's a wet and wavy texture. And then finally at the end, I'm just going to use some mousse to hold the hair in place. And here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them down below in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.